you are abandoning hope based on knowledge, then a lot of deprivation of the mind is already wiped out. Knowledge is very powerful. Perception is very powerful. So if you have to give up hope, you have used intelligence, you have gave up hope, then you have to go back to the desire, you have to give up the desire also. Because as I told, this desire is deposited in the mind. You may not hope now. Hope you have stopped. But the desire is deposited in the mind. So that is what gives that pain. Because desire is there. So next you attack desire. You have to undo the desire. You can use desire to undesire. Desiring is so powerful. You can desire to create a desire in your mind, and you can desire to uncreate a desire in the mind also. So desiring is very powerful. So now you should start using desiring to undesire the unwanted desires in your mind. This is called desire management. If you know how to manage desires, desiring, I'm not talking about. If you know how to manage, if you know management of your desiring potency, then you can manage your desires in your mind. That means you can replace your all unfavorable desires with favorable desires. And then you will be very enthusiastic in devotion service. Because if desire is not there, man is nothing, no? Isn't it? Desire is nothing. From desire only doing comes. If no desire, nothing. When devotees are unspirited, they don't want to do anything, that's because they have no desire. Desire is the cause of all suffering, so I should not desire. This is a lesson that is taught. Suppose this was a Mayavadi school of thought. The speaker would say this. We don't apply like that. We're very careful. Desiring, and abuse and misuse of desiring, we should not do. You're a beautiful spirit who has got a beautiful faculty called desiring. Now you should desire for Krishna. You should desire Krishna. And when our desiring faculty is directed towards Krishna, wanting Krishna, that is completely fulfilling to the soul.